Hello students, welcome to online lectures of Mumbai International School and Junior College. This lecture is for class 1, subject English, poem Nature. Let us now begin.
Children, what is nature? Nature is something that is not made by man. It is already present from the beginning. It is a gift of God. Nature is sun, moon, rain, trees, mountains, rivers, clouds, etc. All these form our nature. Children, now let us begin with our first stanza. Nature is might, nature is strong, nature is beauty, nature is moody. Let me now explain this to you all. Nature is might. This means that nature is very big and huge, and nature is present everywhere. Nature is strong. This means that nature has a lot of strength and it cannot be broken or harmed easily. It is very strong, just like Chota Bheem. Nature is beauty. This means that nature has various beautiful things like sun, mountain, rainbow, moon, stars, and many more things. Nature is moody. This means that nature changes every now and then. Sometimes it is day, sometimes it is night, sometimes it is raining, and sometimes it's not. Nature is changing continuously, and that is the reason nature is called moody here. Children, now let us begin with our second stanza. Nature is smart, nature is blue, nature is green, nature is true. Now, let me explain this. Nature is smart. This means nature is very clever and intelligent. It understands everything very quickly, fast, and it knows almost everything. Nature is blue. Here, nature is said to be blue because of the blue color of sky, river, sea, etc. Nature is green. Here, nature is said to be green because of the green color of trees, grass, etc. Nature is true. This means that everything about nature is real. There is no magic. Nothing is false in it. Everything about it is very real. Children, let us now move to our last stanza. Nature is you, nature is me, nature will forever be free. Let me now explain this. Nature is you, nature is me. This means that you, I, and everyone around us is nature. Our family, our friends are all nature. Nature will forever be free. This means that we cannot lock nature into a cage or a room. Nature will always be free and will always be happy. This was all about your poem, Nature.